Hey YouTube, how's it going? Happy Monday. Hope you all having a great day today. I know I am. I just got my MSI laptop in the mail today. I'm super excited. This is an unboxing and unveiling of it. Maybe go over a little tiny review of what it entails. Here we go. So the box was a little bit opened when I got it in here. So as you can see, right down here, the main box of it, but I already started to open it a little bit. It wasn't very well packaged, I guess because it came through UPS or wherever it came from, but definitely got a good deal on it. Spent only $1,000 on it. Not too bad with a 4-year warranty through Amazon. I am definitely happy with that for the cost that I got. It's one of the lower end ones, but there we go. I'm super excited about this. Been waiting for it for weeks. Had a little mishap with the first order, but now it has finally arrived. As you can see, the sick black and red, they're definite colors here. Loving it, every second of it right here. I'm definitely excited to open this. Let's get started. So, been wanting a game laptop for a while, trying to improve the gaming aspect on my channel here. Definitely looking forward to that. I'm just going to flip this around here real quick. Let's see what we got inside. Comes with this little tiny welcome card, what it looks like here. Let's see what it says. We're to help. We are here to help. Should you have any questions about your gaming notebook, contact us. We will do our best to assist you with all your questions, warranty, and technical support needs. Your satisfaction is our #1 priority. That makes me feel pretty special there. Remember to register for extended 3 months warranty and additional for information. Please visit the website here, as you can see. There we go. A little focus in there. So, but just to see, it's a https://register msi.com. I like that. It has a little dragon on there. Definitely am okay with that. But let's get into it. So, oh, so many boxes and everything. Oh, this looks sick and sweet. Oh man, they definitely did a good job with this boxing and packaging it for sure. So the cover right there. Little fingerprints on there right now just from me grabbing it, but has like nice shine slickness to it. It definitely, like the holographic cards makes me think of right now. But it has a really sick look on here. I'm definitely excited for this. Let's see, let's try and open it up here. Maybe, hopefully the battery's ready for it. Other than that, I'll have to charge it. But looks like I have to charge it. And that's okay. It shouldn't take too long. You can see the red keys. Very nice screen. Oh man, I'm so stoked about this. I'm ready to get gaming with this, especially using my PlayStation, playing some FIFA and any other games that come around. It's definitely going to work well with it. Oh man. Or Core i7 Intel processor. I'm okay with that. It's just slick. I love it. Let's see, just put that bad boy right there, and the dragon logo. Love that logo there. I'm so happy that this finally came. Now I can start truly gaming. I heard a lot of good reviews about the MSI laptop for sure. Let's see. Instruction book. Can't go wrong with that. Let's see what else is in here. We can find the charger. Here we go. Charger. A little bit bulkier than what I'm used to. Let's just set this box over here. I would say it's pretty decently heavy, very sturdy, what it looks like right here. Definitely looks like a good sturdy battery here. Just trying to get this bad boy out. So. Oh wow, it's not bad. Not a bad battery. It looks like it comes with the connector here to make it longer, you know, the extension right here. So. Yeah, but I'm definitely happy with this. Like, I was waiting for this for a couple weeks. The first order got lost in the mail, apparently. And then I had to reorder. Thank you, Amazon, for fixing that issue. Yeah, well, the manager there did a really great job of helping me get it reordered for the exact cost I purchased for the first time. Originally, it was like $338 was on sale. And then with the warranty added to it, it made about $1,038, somewhere around that price range. I got as cheap as I could. I know these gaming laptops can be expensive these days, but I'm definitely happy with the results. I finally got it here. I love the shine on it, the slickness. The keyboard is definitely manageable. I can see the keys pretty well, and definitely am happy with this right here. I just love that dragon logo. I've always loved, if any fabled creature I love is dragons. Like, they're just amazing mythical creatures. You could not go wrong. I wish they were real. I'd love to have a pet dragon like Hagrid and Harry Potter, but that's just my inner nerd out of there. I'm just going to try and charge this bad boy and let's see what the screen looks like for sure. Maybe get into a little bit more of the details of it. Let's see if we can find the charger port. I'm guessing that's, maybe it's on the back or on the sides. I just got to double check to see. I guess it's this side right here. Yep, perfect. Let's give this bad boy a little juice here so we can turn her on and see what she's all about, shall we? But I am definitely happy, as y'all can tell. It's one of those things that you just can't go wrong. I've been waiting for this for a while, so get into the nitty-gritty of it here. Just trying to move my phone out of the way for a second. So I'll get into the little description here. So let's see. For the description of this laptop that I got here, play your favorite games in style with ease with the MSI GF65 Thin i7 GXT. It has 1660 IT, 8GB / 520GB PSI gamer laptop with, decided thermal solutions, both for the CPU and GPU, with up to 6 heat pipe. They work harmoniously with minimizing the heat and maximizing the airflow. That's really good, so it doesn't over fry on you, which I'm definitely happy about. You want, in my personal opinion, you need to, have something that's going to work real well and not, go out on you and everything. So I think that's the most important thing. Let's see. Airflow, thin and light. It does.
I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do.
Just minimize that. I don't need that right now. I'll worry about that in a minute. So, I do apologize for that. So, let's see here. Light and thin, aluminum, airbrush. Some of these words I do apologize if I butcher here. I'm just, still trying to go over everything. Its features aluminum airbrush authentics. Okay. It features metallic top and keyboard covering, paired with a unique X-shape validatation hidden underneath with the software that helps you control and customize your MSI laptop the way you want. That's really good. I'm really happy about that. The way you want, and monitor, adjust, optimize easily through the undefined system, bringing home the MSI GF65 Thin i7 GTX, basically the same from before. I guess the mechanics in here comes with this Intel i7 core, 16GB, 152GB, GTX 1660 Ti. I'm not too familiar with some of these terms, but I'm sure I will get familiar with it down the road as I learn more about the computer. Just got to get familiar with it. So let's see. Looks like comes with the model G65 and the model, of course. Let's see, what else does it come with? A graphic card, NVIDIA GeForce GXT. Of course, I guess that's the 1660 IT. Intel Core processor, i7. We already went through that. Memory, 16 gig. I mean, that's not too bad. It's pretty basic. That's, I'm using this for the basic needs type deal. Let's see here. Battery life, definitely 1 WH. Weight about 4.1 pounds. That's not too bad. I mean, that seems like a pretty reasonable weight there. I mean, I'm not complaining at all. And definitely gonna boost the games. Light aluminum, definitely liking it. So far, so good, as you can see. Just a little tiny taste there. I'm really happy about this right now. I'm super stoked. Let's see. I don't have it. I'm just going to skip that. Just get right to the main thing there. Connect that now. Oh, I got to use my internet here. That's all right. That is okay. I guess we could just connect it down the road, but so far, so good. I am definitely loving it, and just it's trying to set up to the internet here, obviously, but keys definitely, I'm loving the keyboard light up there. You can definitely see it for sure. Nice, good screen there. Does not have any issues, nor doesn't look too fuzzy on my end. Maybe in the camera that I'm using, maybe a little fuzzy, but I am definitely loving this for sure. I'm excited to start using it once I get it all set up for sure, but has that nice like holographic shine, what I called those in the Pokemon cards that I used to collect when I was a kid. You know, you always like the holographic ones when you got them, but has that kind of shiny feel to it. And you can see a little reflection there, but I'm definitely loving this. I'm definitely excited to try this out for sure. But I'm definitely happy about the product, and it finally came here after a couple weeks. But definitely heard good things about the MSI laptop. Definitely am excited to use this, get it all set up. I heard it can do a lot of multitasking for a PC. I definitely have no issues with PC. I used to have a Dell PC in college, and it worked for me for all the years of college for 5 years, and didn't have hardly any issues at all. Definitely am going to enjoy this gamer laptop to help me produce a better gaming quality. I'm definitely looking forward to that. But yeah, this unboxing has been really exciting and unveiling. I'm super stoked. I can't wait. I'm excited as ever. I'm just like a little kid on Christmas, which is just like, what did Santa bring us? Just let's go downstairs and get to the toys as quickly as possible. Forget about waiting. But yeah, no, I'm excited. I'm definitely happy, but I'm just gonna lower that a little bit so there's no glare there. I do apologize if you saw a glare there. But yeah, this is the product, full product. Definitely show you the sides of it. Very light. That's what I love about that. It's light. It's not too heavy. It's thin. You can take it on the go. Has a charger in there as I'm charging it right now as we speak. I'm definitely happy about this product. Cannot wait to start using it to its fullest potential. So, yeah, I'm happy. I'm a happy customer. Thank you, Amazon, for fixing the issue that came about, and thank you, MSI. Definitely appreciate your guys' quality product here. I'm definitely excited to try it out. Heard a lot of good things. I'll definitely do an overall review as for how it's going so far in the next few weeks, maybe, or maybe a month or two. Definitely let you know how it goes. But I'm definitely excited to move forward with this. But yeah, if you do like my review and my unboxing, feel free to like, subscribe, comment below. Love to hear your feedback. Definitely, for all computer nerds, if you guys have any suggestions or tips, feel free to leave comments down below. Definitely would love to hear your feedback and get some tips on how to make this a run optimal, because I'm always learning something new. You never know when you can learn something that you didn't know before. I'm always like, I guess you could say, thirsty for knowledge as much as I can. It's amazing what you can find out from other people. But if you guys have any suggestions or any software tips, please definitely comment below. Love to hear your feedback, so I can definitely make this amazing product here and this MSI work to its full potential. I'm definitely going to try it out. And like I said, if you did like my unboxing and short review of the product, again, feel free to like, subscribe, comment below. Love to hear your feedback. Take care. Have a great week. Stay safe, everyone. And we'll see you later.